Hey guys, Griffin Cooper here from Ablewaytech. It's October 31st, so we got a special Halloween edition of our Kata Challenge for today. And we were trading our favorite symbol right now, the EWZ Brazil ETF. And this is our chart, our simplified sniper chart layout where we just have simple open, high, low, close bars and the thick RL10 regression line that's coded to the MACD with our baby dragon, the 3-period moving average on the RL10. We have our all-important dragon, which is our Bollinger Band 10-period, plus or minus half a standard deviation, and our special PSAR indicator, which is tuned to our RL10. So I had a meeting this morning, so I couldn't trade till about 10 a.m. You can see here this blue vertical line is when I started trading and saw the harsh winter, this 3-leg down move, and that it had failed to fail further. This green line is yesterday's high of the day. So I saw just like the other days, it was pausing here, the high of the day, and finding support, and then price turned and crossed the PSAR, the RL10 crossed over the dragon. So we had a PSAR flip. It had turned to spring on the MACD, which is why our RL10 is yellow now. So above, put in my entry for above this bar right here, and got the breakout bar. We used a standard risk, like always, our R10, which is 13 cents right now. And what I've been doing lately, which I really have been liking, is just doing a trail stop, a 1 hour trail stop. I've been kind of more busy doing other stuff while I'm trading. So I really like this because I just set that, wait for it to get to 2R. If it gets to 2R, then I put my stop up to 1.5, lock that in, and continue to trail again with the 1 hour trail stop. And so we got our entry here. It quickly broke out on this bar. It started to pull back, and we got our 1 hour trail stop exit for 1.23. At that point, I was ready to re-enter. We have this little, we call our re-entry is the key to sanity, this little R10 wiggle, we call it, with this small pullback. And if it didn't fail further, which it didn't, it just held support right here, didn't even get through the dragon and started to go again. I entered again. And when I saw this exit, my feeling was that, you know what, that R10 looks pretty tight, this risk box. So I made this one a little bit bigger. I brought it out to 20 cents. And that was just based on looking at this price movement here and here and here and here, kind of what was the range of noise. And it looked like about 20 cents. So that's what I set up, changed my position sizing a little bit for this next trade, and then did the same thing, just trailed with a 1 hour risk, and it got to 2R right here. So I moved my stop up to 1.5. Failed to follow through past this support level up here, pulled back, so got about the same exit as if we had taken a PSAR, basically. So that was another 1.5 reward to risk. That's 2.73 for the day, right by the numbers. Markets don't have to be a scary place. I find them to be pretty friendly when I'm following my rules and doing the Kata Challenge, Kata Challenge is part of our applied systems development course. Check it out at ablewaytech.com. And that's a complete system for beginners for learning to trade. We show you 3 basic patterns. We show you how to trade them, how to set up your charts, everything you need to do to get trading and to start getting experience with the real markets in a safe way. So if that's something you're interested in, subscribe, and we'll keep posting these live trading examples. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments. Happy Halloween, everybody.